Hello everyone, happy Monday. Today did not go as planned. Oh, Amy's home. That's how you know it's nighttime. I've been editing to do vlog number 2 longer than I thought I would. We've just been having problems with Kim's footage. Now I'm just exporting it, and while I wait, I'm going to do other things. Amy brought home these glass dip pens from Dollar Tree. It comes with ink. The inks look like they're supposed to match the pen colors. Now I don't have any other glass dip pens to compare it to, so it's just testing them out. It's not really any instructions. It just says smooth writing, bright color, easy to clean. Oh, that was terrifying. Ew. The tip shape of the blue one is different than the pink one. Yeah, so the tip shapes aren't really consistent. The blue is thinner than the green, and the pink has a weird tapering effect, like it's a bobble. Bobble? Is that what you call it? Ew, did I just dip it in there? Oh, interesting. This is so fun already. Was it even focused? Oh my god, I wasn't even focused when I was doing it. So at an angle closer to 90 degrees. One thing to know is that I heard when you're washing your glass that you don't want to put it tip down into a glass cup or container, because then the tip will break, because glass breaks glass. Dip it. Oh, it's a light pink. Thought it was gonna be dark, but it's quite pretty. Oh, you know, I am quite happy with this already. I actually really like this shade of green. Oh, if I did a really thick splotch here. As expected of Tomoe River paper. Yeah, it hasn't really bled through. But yeah, I think this is a pretty good price for what it is. This is what people want. The dog. Oh, so she faces away from the camera.
Yeah.
She looks headless now. Anyways, back to my work day. So for the new stickers, I want to do animal eye masks. I think that would be cute, but I've never really drawn animals before. Not even, yep, you would know. Not even like a doodle. I guess we'll just talk about my method of making stickers or drawing stickers. Most studio vlogs I've seen, they use iPads, which looks really convenient, but we don't have one. So what I normally do, I would just sketch it, I would draw it and then I would ink it and then I would scan it. From there, I was able to vectorize it digitally on the computer without the graphics tablet and just like edit the inked lines that I scanned in. I want to get better and be more comfortable at using the graphics tablet. I'm just not used to it and it's kind of weird for me. Well, this is a general idea. I should do a penguin one too, though. Oh my god, how does Kim draw a penguin? How should do the thing on the face?
Cold. So cold.
So cold. I don't know how to do a dog.
Floppy ears? You know, like, or the long, like you know?
Amy, I'm drawing this like today.
So, like, I needed the answer, like,
Today. I don't think I can do floppy ears. I had some hope in me and it's gone now. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no 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 no. Oh no no. Erase. Not laugh at my drawing. How am I supposed to draw? After hearing your laugh, it's just going repeat in my mind. I'm just gonna move on. I'll come back to the dog later, or not at all.
I'm not Amy. I didn't get to hold you today.
The new sound of the 80s. Suddenly you hear it everywhere. It's all beat and all talk. It tells you a story and makes you want to dance. Steve Fox examines an overnight phenomenon, rapping to the beat.
So today, we decided that Kim's not going to be in Studio Vlog 2 because her footage just didn't work out. Even though Kim's like 2,000 miles away, we still want her in the vlog when she can be. The Studio Vlog number 2 is just going to have to be a short one. Come on. Hello and welcome to my Wednesday. I finished Tuesday just by packaging orders with Amy, and I just edited all day really. But everything is complete. The studio vlog is ready to upload. And then when Amy went to drop off the orders at the post office, she checked our mailbox and I got some happy mail. It's my subscription to Parity Peppery. And I just want to open this, so oh my gosh! So nice! The two calendars. So we got a hot Santa girl. But anyway, mini FW 2020 runway sketch fashion girls. Mini Christmas girls. Same fashion girls but full body. Ooh. How is this? Lovely Christmas mood stickers. So cute. Ornaments, some hanging pine cones, a tree, bells I believe. And then the fashion girls. And the Christmas girls too. Yeah, I think it's the same. It's a duplicate pack, which I don't think is supposed to happen. Oh, okay. So I remember that Perti Peperico always posts her subscription packs because you can also buy these sheets and stickers separately. So I was just curious if I was supposed to get a double, but it looks like I didn't get them. Yep. Instead, I got double of them. Perti Peppery always has great service, so I can message them no problem. So I just emailed Elena and her team over at Perti Peppery about the whole swap of getting 2 or the same sticker sets of the Christmas girls. For this subscription pack, I don't really mind that I have duplicates because I'm just going to send it to Kim, who also loves Elena's art. And I also don't feel like I'm missing out on anything because I have the designs on like 3 other items. So I just wanted to let them know in a friendly manner about what happened. As fellow shop owners, we appreciate when we're notified when these types of things happen. We can always just get on it really quick and look out for it in the future. I basically said it's cool and I don't care. I'm still super happy with everything I got, so there's no need to send a replacement because I don't really need duplicates of the other items in the pack. Yeah, just wanted to wish them well. It's a busy season for every shop owner, I'm sure. Here's a little update on the Perti Peppery subscription pack. They messaged me back. They're still gonna send me the missing items anyway, which is so nice of them. But they also said they purchased one of our penguin shirts on Amazon. Oh my god. Small businesses supporting each other. I'm so happy. Everyone's so nice. Thank you so much. I'm just gonna celebrate right now by eating some candy. So these are 2 designs we have on our Amazon store. Dancing Penguins in Heather Gray. And this is Picnic Penguin in Baby Blue. We do have more designs, I just don't have it physically with me right now. As soon as I get them, I will show you. So we do have a pen tablet. Obviously the difference between the pen and a monitor tablet is the pen one is disconnected from the screen. Advantages to it would be that your hand isn't covering the image and therefore you can see the illustration as a whole at all times. Another pro would be sitting in an upright position and your head is also upright and not looking down at an angle. Then the posture will be better and therefore you can work longer, and it's of course all personal preference. My plan for scanning these in is to... I can always erase it. Oh, this is weird. Oh, it's terrible. I can always erase later. Is to create like a template of the mask. I can just duplicate that template and draw the animal faces and other designs on that. Because that would be a time saver. I chose to draw these 6 masks because I wanted to get the ideas out first of how I even wanted the mask to look like. I feel so fancy. If you have any tips on using Krita, I know there's like forums and stuff I saw online, but I just want to get familiar with the program first. A mask, yeah. There we go, save. I'm the sister that draws the least. So I want to try to clean it up. Okay, this ain't that bad. I was just a little worried and I was a little afraid. I mean, obviously I'm not gonna finish these designs in this week's vlog because it's already Wednesday, but it's a learning curve, it's a learning process. Okay, I feel better now. But I think I'd rather have a bigger curve around the nose area, more similar to Panda or the penguin. Okay, let's try this again. I was using keywords to look up animal eye mask and see what's out there. I mean, obviously I didn't come up with the concept myself. I saw a lot of real ones, and when I looked up like sticker versions or just illustration versions, I saw a lot of like character ones, but not as much as just animal eye masks, like sleep masks. So hopefully I can add that to the options. A good one would be a fox And the koala, I love koalas. And the koalas, I say it right. I love koalas. I don't really have a favorite animal, but I have like top 5. It always has been in my top 5. Safe. I feel like it needs to constantly save because sometimes it crashes on Amy. I really wonder about Amy's brush preference. I know this is just like the simplest, weirdest shape. I think it's better to start off with something easy and just doing what I can, okay? I hope this was entertaining, seeing me struggle. Can I mirror this? I'm gonna mirror this. Duplicate first. Mirror horizontally. There we go. Where? No. I mirrored the whole thing. Undo. Mirror horizontal. There we go. It's crooked. It's on an angle. So we make it so it's not as crooked. Oh man, it's so unbalanced. Well, I'm gonna stop recording here because I don't think I'm gonna get much further in Krita. My skills will not progress that fast. It was fun. Evie didn't really care. She's just in my lab. I'm glad to have a lab. Hi, she popped up. Tune in next week to see how far I get with these animal eye masks. Thank you for watching. Eat some yummy snacks and have a good one. Bye. Goodbye. Evie, it's dinner time.